everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kids in Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tamago Zosui. Tamago Zosui is Japanese version of egg porridge. Today I'm making it in 5 minutes using microwave. It's so easy and quick to make, so it's great for breakfast. My children sometimes make it by themselves. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 1 egg, and just a little bit of soy sauce. And if you want to know how to make this 1 portion rice pack, please watch this video here. Put the rice, half a teaspoon of hondashi, half a teaspoon of salt, 150 milliliter of water in the bowl, and microwave this for 2 minutes at 800 watt. No cover needed. In the meantime, let's beat the egg in a small bowl. Mix it well. Pour the beaten egg all over. And microwave this one more time. This time, just 1 minute. Put just a little bit of soy sauce. It's just 2 to 3 drops. It's for the aroma, not for the taste. Mix it one more time. It's totally optional, but if you like some sliced green onion and sesame seeds and 5 minutes Tamago Zosui, it's ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so easy on the stomach. You need only a few ingredients, but it's surprisingly flavorful. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!